Alright guys, I'm about to do a video on Maison Margiela new future sneakers. I was looking on YouTube to find any videos on these, and I didn't find any videos on new model, anything from new futures Margielas. So I decided to do a video on them after I purchased it. Um, Here are a few things that it comes with. It comes with this, like, these are supposed to be shoe bags or like dust bags, but they really look like bonnets. These joints look like bonnets. But anyways, um, here they are. New futures. So I'm assuming the only thing that, well, not the only thing. This is kind of major. The soles change. They're basically like hiker, more durable. Like you can wear this, I'll guess, like when it's like kind of snowing outside for a little bit. Obviously, I haven't worn them. I just got them in the mail today. Got them in the black. Um, the original Futures lows have it's like a thin sole at the bottom. And it's not shaped like this. This is more chunky style. I like them. That's why I decided to buy it, but I wasn't sure how they would look on my foot or how they would feel overall. These are black, so I thought I couldn't go wrong. They're basic. These are nice though. I really like them a lot. So the retail on these was $860, but I bought them on sale, so I didn't pay $860 for them. But yeah, these are them. Let's get this other one out. Because of matte paper, I'm not sure if this is Margiela's packaging or how the store I bought them from packaged them. Regular with the normal white box from Margiela's. There these go. There these go. I'm gonna do a quick snap of me trying them on. Alright. There they are on foot. This one, I just slipped my foot on, and on this pair, I expanded the laces. I would say these actually fit true to size. These are a size 40, so they fit like a 7. So for B, I would, unless I wear tight, I mean not tight, big socks, I'm gonna have to wear them like this pair. This is kind of slightly too loose. My foot would be moving around unless I had bigger socks on, thicker socks on. Yeah, that's that. But they feel comfortable. They go crazy. I like them. They go different. You know, feel me? Now for me, I don't own the normal Margiela lows in the future um model. I have the replicas in the lows, and I also got the replicas in the highs. Margiela, you know, low key, or maybe major key is my favorite designer shoe. They basic, they're simple, they're comfortable. I like them a lot, and they last for a really long time. If you get like leather ones, they're gonna last you a very long time in terms of lasting, whether what or whatever not. I have a pair of replicas that I had since I don't know 2016, 17. They still wearable. could still rock it. You know what I'm saying? That's the one thing about buying designers. Like sometimes when you buy like Jordans or whatever, they cool or whatever. But if you wear them day to day, every day, you can't. They will die. They won't last multiple years. So the thing with me, I have Jordans or whatever, but I don't wear them every day. So I have them for a very long time, but they start discoloring even if I haven't worn them and stuff. I mean, that's like the pros and cons of wearing designer or whatever. But for me, like these are my favorite. That's my favorite brand. But this is what they look like on feed. You feel me? Um, they kind of low key. They remind me of Prada's, like the Prada Sport. Is it called American Cup? That model. I don't know why, but they kind of do. Um, I'm feeling them. I like them. Alright, P.